In this video, I will show you how to change any color to white in Adobe Photoshop. The first, choose to Object Selection tool and Selection. Hold Alt to remove the parts you don't want to change color. Press Ctrl J. Select Layer Panel. Choose this option Hue/Saturation. Increase or decrease parameters as appropriate. Hold Alt and click to this. Choose this option Curves. Increase or decrease parameters as appropriate. Hold Alt and click to this. Create new layer. Choose this layer. Choose to Object Selection tool. And select Eyes. Choose this layer. Press B to switch to Brush tool. And hold Alt switch to Eyedropper tool. Choose Multiply option. Before and after. Don't forget to like this video, and thanks for watching.